Hi, this is Chris Lavin from Xtreme Polishing Systems, and we're coming to you today from Pompano Beach, Florida. And we are blessed to be here with Mr. Trey West from Big Dog Tackle Shop. This is a bait and tackle shop here in Pompano Beach at 1440 North Federal Highway, right towards the boat ramp off of 14th Street. Trey was caught here last Sunday night as he was trying to do some carpet and tile.
Chip up some tile, yeah. Doing it the hard way?
Yeah, so I saw the lights on around 9:45, and I immediately had my radar on, and I said, I'm going to go pull over and see what kind of floor they're doing. So we went in and we saw you guys hard at work. And then what happened from that point?
What happened from that point, I continued to chip up some tile and try to get up some glue, and it's a horrible experience. So, you know, I figured, you know, after trying it the hard way for hours on end, I said, let's get Big Dog Tackle, get some big equipment. So I said, I'm going to call Chris.
So I gave Trey my number, and I said, listen, if this is something that you would like us to attempt, I'll give you a price to remove it. We rent the machines, we sell these machines. It's all about the equipment and the tools when it comes to doing professional work like this. And that's why there's flooring contractors out there that make a living doing this, just like you make your living selling bait and tackle.
That's it.
And are going to be doing a great job at that. So if you're ever in this Florida area, come to Pompano Beach and come and support his shop here. It's 1440 North Federal Highway, and it's in beautiful Pompano Beach. We call this the land of juice and honey. We've got our usual suspects with us today here. We have Penn. Is Penn the guy that normally doesn't speak? Or is that Teller? So we have Dr. Jimmy here. And we're going to go through some of the wonderful features of this great machine here. This is through Bartel Global. This is the Innovatech machine called the Terminator Infinity. This is a new line that they have. It's a little bit lower price than the one that we've been using before. It's been a great model. This one, battery stays charged all day. And Jimmy's going to show us exactly how this machine works today on some of this tile that Trey has inherited, actually. This is an inheritance, okay? And the other thing is there is also another inheritance here that we haven't talked about yet, but there is a safe that is in the floor that has a lock that's been broken off, that has not been opened, that we have called a locksmith for, okay? And they're going to be doing the opening of this safe, and we are going to see exactly what's in there. Anyways, Jimmy, take over from here, buddy.
This attachment is so when you moving the machine from whatever area, from the trailer back to your warehouse, whatever you're going to work on. So it's very easy to maneuver, and it's just to move the machine in and out, whatever you're going to do. Now we got different attachments here. This one is for a carpet removal. You notice that the blade is kind of angled to it, so it cuts the carpet, and at the same time as it cuts it, this right here, this half round piece that is here, it helps it kind of roll the carpet as you move forward. We're gonna try here in this carpet so we can see. And you got different type of blades. This one can go here. Also, you got a smaller one, so you can put that blade into this one here. The way I have it set up is just so we can just use whatever we need to quick instead of just putting it on and off on and off. So they just slide in. You can see that it matches the bolts. Now you got these other blades that can go right in here, and that's just for removal of VCT, carpet, anything that is on the glue removal is great. We're going to try some glue removal pin set. We're going to try it here. We got this other attachment here that is for like tile, and it comes in different 6-inch, 4-inch, 2-inch. There's different size for it that you can put. So it's a very useful machine for whatever you got the need for. We're going to see that we're going to use it on removing some tiles, some pin sets, some glue removal, carpet. So we got a little of everything here. This machine is a little different than the other one. It's a little more comfortable because you just right in it on the side, so you just go forward and back. Also, it's got a 120 plug, and the charger is inside, in the machine, incorporated in the machine. So you don't have to carry a charger. We have a big charger that we have to carry, and it's a hassle because now you got to get 220 single phase to charge the machine. Some places it's just hard to get. So Here you can charge it 120, it will take all night, or you can just use 2 different circuits of 120 and use both of them, and it will charge a lot faster. So it's very convenient. You take it in, just plug it in, you leave it all night, next day it's ready to go. Just remove the machine, the wheel. Once you get it in and out, you get it in the parking lot, get it inside the building, very easy to maneuver. Once you get another attachment for it, all you gotta do is lift up the
So you see that? That's nice. That's so somebody can't hurt themselves. So our wheels are up, and then Jimmy's gonna change the actual blade.
So once you're off, you just notice that the machine just goes off. So the towel that is there, you can use this or.
So this is some nasty tile that's been set in thin set pretty thick. It's on top of terrazzo. Jimmy's got a 6-inch blade on here, and these blades are super durable. So, and they're self. You can sharpen these with this a carborundum blade. You might get a good picture of exactly. Machines are for rent, and I was just talking to Trey exactly how long it took him to do this little section here, which is probably 20 feet by maybe 20 feet. And how long did it take you to work on that the other day?
It took at least 6 hours. This is the toughest tile I've ever seen.
Yeah, it is a very tough tile. Okay, we just saw Jimmy literally tear up probably, maybe 30 or 40 square feet in literally a couple minutes. So I wanted to make sure that I gave Trey the pleasure of being able to destroy the last pieces of these tile in his shop, okay? And also show you exactly how easy it is to ride a machine like this. These rent for $600 a day, or like I said, if you have a commercial carpeting company, flooring company, you want to purchase one of these, we lease them, and it's a great write-off for the business. Anyways, go ahead, let's tear it up.
Like butter, like butter.
Steel-toed boots. You need a good pair of construction steel-toed boots. You gotta get these right here. These are the new ones.